Product type: GPS or navigation system. Package dimensions: 2. 756 lx1, 142 wx5, 512 h. Country of origin: Taiwan. Package weight: 0. 19 lbs. Plug into your vehicle's OBD-II port for constant power to your compatible Garmin Dash Cam, even when the vehicle is parked and turned off. Compatible with most passenger vehicles, not compatible with commercial vehicles with a J1939 connector. Top reviews from the United States. Works great with my Garmin Dash Cam. Very happy to have found a great simple solution for hooking up my Garmin Dash Cam. This works perfectly. I only wish we had more options than infinite power, or 24-hour power, or 10-minute power. Would be nice to have a 1-hour or 3-hour option, so you could use it when shopping for parking lot surveillance. 10 minutes is a little short and I don't want to run down the battery with 24-hour.